All right, I got the parents working hard. So we got a Yamaha V4 115 horse engine. This is a Hurricane deck boat. Is that what you call them?
Deck boat, yep.
And you guys have had this for how many years now?
This is the third season.
Third season. All right, you got to lower it down just a bit more.
I'll let you get on when it gets down a ways.
And it's moving. There's the lift turning. Works pretty good. All right, we're heading out. Hopefully we'll see some dolphins, some good wildlife. Here we go. Oh, there he was. Oh, cool. All right, where are we at? What is this?
Oh, this is Polka Grande Island, and this is, we call it the flats right here.
Polka Grande. Just came through that bridge, under the bridge there. It's pretty shallow here. What is that, an old train track?
Old train track, yeah.
Old train track there. And everybody just kind of parks here and parties. You got dogs wading around. Pretty shallow here.
See, look at that girl over there.
Yeah, just walking around. Dad's jumping in. Are you touching? Yeah, you're. All right. Pretty cool. You're gonna drop an anchor right here.
Here.
All right. Pretty neat. It's pretty warm out. It's a little windy.
Oh, yeah, the water's actually not too bad.
Pretty crystal clear water too.
Oh yeah, it's just great.
Neat. We already saw a dolphin, some birds. Dad's really gonna anchor this bad boy down. Cool. All right, Mom just found a starfish. It's alive, huh?
Yep.
Pretty cool. I think you can like cut them off and they regrow, right?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure if you like cut one of their legs off or whatever you call them, they grow back. So neat. All right, there's that abandoned train track, and you got somebody set up a hammock there. So that's pretty cool. And you got random kids showed up with some kayaks and their whole family. Got some pelicans. All right, we're cranking her back up. The boat outing is over. We had a great day, and we'll see you next time.